Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, I've got another review for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, you already know what these are. These are the Adidas ZX Lego edition. Wow, that is a good one. Let me just take a good two thumbnails. Yes, I like these shoes. They remind me of my childhood in Tembe Town when I used to run around with some nice Legos, trying to build myself some shoes, some trainers, some sneakers, because I always used to use the sandals and I did not have the good trainers to, you know, flex to my haters. But Lego thought it would be good if they with their ZX 8000 range bring out a set of trainers that collabing with different companies, and this one was a collab with Lego, which is, you know, world famous for their brick toys. As you can see, they put it. Okay, let's start off with the review. Start off with the bottom. So this is the classic ZX 8000 sole. As you can see, it's got a nice bright, is it looking orange, but this is bright red. You've got the nice Trojan sign that match my hand color, and then a yellow inside, and then red again. Then you got the nice pop of yellow on the sole with a hint of green that match my watch nicely, green. And then you got this nice suede. As you can see, the materials they've used are very nice quality, I must say. You know, Adidas outdone themselves. Then a hint of blue again, match my hand color. And then you've got the stripes, some nice suede black again, then the blue, match my hand color. I like it. Yes, and a blue panel here. If you look at the back, you've got the nice 3M hit here. So if you flash this, it will have that nice 3M. We have a look at the insole. As you can see, Adidas and Lego, two of the top tier brands. Here is the front. Look at the detail. They've put a little Lego piece as the lace holder. That is crazy. Lego piece here, Lego piece, Lego piece. This collab is how you do a collab correctly. It is crazy colors. You would look like Krusty the Clown if you wear these, but you don't even care. If you have a shoe like this, so what if people call you Krusty the Clown? You won't even mind being called Krusty the Clown. Very nice shoe. Let's have a look at all the accessories they come with. This is how they look from the front. So they come with extra laces and Lego holders. So you've got the blue, the red, and more goodies. And another lace pack with a, wow, how many laces? A green, a gray, and a black, and also the Lego pieces as well. And you know, your Adidas tags. Yes, this is how you do a collab correctly. This is how they look from the front. Very, very nice. The ZX design is always a good shoe. I'm going to quickly show you how you look with an on-hand shoot of these. As you know, I don't have the budget for on feet, but here is the on hand. As you can see, if you rock them with black trousers and a blue socks, this is how they will look like. Very nice. You can start walking like this, hits a bit of moonwalk like that. Yes, very, very nice shoes. Highly recommend these if you can get these. Unfortunately, these have sold out, so you will have to pay resale. They retailed was very good price, I believe £110, which is quite a few Ugandan dollars, quite a few Lego box sets. But if you can grab these, grab them, because the resale now is like £200, which is a lot more Ugandan dollars. And I believe this collab will keep going up because it's a collab with Lego and Adidas, and you don't see this every day. You don't see good collabs like this. As always, guys, if you like the review, then like the video, subscribe. I'm going to do other reviews, other crazy reviews like this. So please subscribe. And as always, I'm going to catch you on the next one. As always, believe that.